Have you just been told you have fibroids? Don't panic. What you do next could make a huge difference to your future health. Being told you have fibroids can feel scary. You may feel confused, overwhelmed, or worried about what happens next. I know that feeling because I've been there myself. But before you panic, here are 10 important steps to take. 1. Don't panic. A fibroid diagnosis is not the end of your story. 2. Learn about your fibroids. Find out their size, number, and location. 3. Start tracking your symptoms. Heavy bleeding, pain, bloating, fatigue, and frequent urination all matter. 4. Ask questions. Make sure you understand all your options. 5. Consider getting a second opinion. Different professionals may have different recommendations. 6. Start paying attention to your nutrition. What you eat can affect how you feel. 7. Prioritize sleep. Your body does important repair work while you sleep. 8. Reduce stress where possible. Your body heals better when it feels safe and supported. 9. Build a support network. Don't try to navigate this journey alone. 10. Take action early. Many women wait until symptoms become severe before making changes. The sooner you understand your body, the more choices you may have. I was once told surgery was my only option. Today, I have 3 beautiful children and feel better in my 40s than I did in my 20s. That's why I want women to know there is hope. Knowledge gives you power, and small steps taken today can make a big difference tomorrow. If you've recently been diagnosed with fibroids, I want to invite you to my webinar. I'll walk you through the exact system I use to support my body, shrink my fibroids, and regain my health. Click the link below to secure your seat.